Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in about 7 minutes, so I will go ahead and pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back as soon as the market opens and I find a potential opportunity. I have an order at 41.50 here for a put. So I'm looking to do options. If you don't know what options are, just comment below option guide and I will link you to a free class I put together called the Big Basics of Options. Walk you through all the terminology, how they work, give you a good firm foundation. Don't be intimidated. I know sometimes people hear options and they run around or they run away thinking they're so complicated. And they can be made that way, don't get me wrong, but they don't have to be made that way. I'm going to change my order to 41.20 here. So again, just comment below option guide, and what I'm looking at is this number right here. I want to see that number drop down to 41.20 and then go slightly below 41.20. And if it does that, that white will turn to green, which means I have now bought the option contract. So that's what I'm currently watching. If you're not familiar with my screen, all right, I will go ahead and pause. And now as the price comes down, you can see there, I will cancel that order out as had the right idea, wanted to come up and then roll over. Problem is that wasn't good enough to have the right general idea. You needed to be right on the details and specifics too. And I was just wrong on where the entry point should have actually been. So, all right, I'll pause. All right, going for, oh, that's a forced trade there. Starting to get a little frustrated here because I can't quite get filled on any of these movements. Always got to be careful with that. You get frustrated, then you start to bend your rules on where entry points should be, and then before you know it, you're thinking, why am I in this trade? More specifically, why am I in this trade at this price? So, all right, I'll pause. Have an order at $40 here for in there at 40 with a put. And out there for $50, now going down to 39. Actually, not 39, should be 38.50. We'll try all over again. Okay, that was a move I wanted, so 37.70 now. We'll see if it wants to come up again. I may be interested in hopping in, but I want to let things either come up more or settle down a bit. Actually, I'm going to change strike prices. Change what? Again, that's where the guide will come into play and be helpful. $42.50, there we go. All right, I will pause, and well, we're getting maybe another push here. 3, okay, yep, I'll pause. I'll keep a close eye on it though. Have an order at 45.50 here for a put. I was just close on the bid, but did not get filled. All right, I'll pause. Okay, I've adjusted my order up to 46, as that seems to be the more accurate area for an entry. And I like how it's pausing around there. All right, I'm at 46.50 here. For a put. And again, just putzing around at that level. Let's go down to 45.70 now. All right, I'll pause. All right, gonna go for, get 45. Let's try 45. Should I have done 45.50? Ah, there it was. There's just pulling back a bit. Let's get that blue line. See, coming down there. So in hindsight, I suppose I should have done 45.50. All right, I'll keep a close eye on it. All right, going for a put here at 44.50. Got that at 44.50. Out for $50 on that one. Very good. I'll go ahead and pause. All right, going to go for a put here at 42. Nope. Let's go to 40. Actually, let's just play this one a little bit more conservative here, because this is a pretty kind of random move in some senses. Was looking pretty rough, and then just like that, there we go. All right, we'll see if this can push up through 527. I will go ahead and pause for now. Have an order at 41.50 here for a put. Well, it's close for a second, but it is definitely jumping around quite a bit. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 40.70 now. That needs to be more so 40.20. All right, I'll pause. Oh, I'm in there at 39.50. Sorry, that happened in the blink of an eye. Again, in at 30, and wow, and just like that, in the blink of an eye, out for $50. So that was certainly interesting. Let's go to 39 now. See if I can get filled up there. That was quite a jumpy move. So I am now at 39, and we'll look to try another sniper shot there. All right, was I even recording? I'm not sure I captured the entry point on video because it was such a jumpy move that all of a sudden filled me. Just like it was kind of a jumpy move where I was like $40 underwater, and then just like that, boom, I was up 50 and out of the trade. So yeah, definitely some unique trading here. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 40. Order at 45.70. It was looking like it was going to be close for a second, but as soon as I hit the record button, it shot back up. So, although it is relatively jumpy, so I'll do my best to capture the entry point on video, but I will pause for now. Have an order at 46.70 now. Nope. All right, I'm going back to my original plan. Well, I'm going to make a slight little adjustment now that it seems to be picking up some downwards pressure. So 44.70. I will pause. Have an order at 43.20 here for a call. It's getting somewhat close. All right, I will pause, but I'll keep a close eye on it. Have an order at 45.20. I was best bid for a moment. I'm gonna go to 44.50 now. You know what, at this point, I'm getting kind of, and I'm sure you're getting the same, getting sick and tired of saying, might get filled and then nothing ever happens. So I'm just gonna wait until I do get filled before I get the video rolling. So moving forward, you just won't see the entry point, and I'll save you the hassle of all these kind of false alarms. So I will pause. Have an order at 41.50. Whoops, I just realized that I told you I was not going to come back until I had a fill. We'll call it habit. Sorry about that. All right, I'll pause. All right, I just had a massive mistake there. Wow. I double clicked and I didn't have my order set in the right spot. So what did I do? I bought one at 42, one at 41.70, and I was able to get out for a total of $50, but that was a total misclick on my part. I thought I was just yeah, that was... Hello. Well, I should have held. I'd be up very nicely because I picked up 2 right away. But no, that was pure luck that I came out with a gain there. I did not mean to get 1 at that level, and I definitely not mean to get 2. All right, well, I need to stop. And if this thing wants to come down some more, I need to be ready down around that level there, blue line. So that was a $50 trade. Pure luck, but you know what? Sometimes luck is on your side. Other times, the market says, oh, you made that mistake, we're going to make you pay. But the market also said, yeah, well, you know, let me make money on it, but then it just completely flushed in my favor where I would have made a whole lot more. But again, that was just, when you get in those situations, you need to just get out right away. So I missed the entry points, as I said, but yeah, just full disclosure there, that was an error on my part. All right, I will pause. All right, I did not capture the last couple of trades just because they were very, very just mediocre. I got filled and then right away saw, okay, it's going to be one of these types. Nothing, just like I said, basically, I mean, they were green trades, but essentially kind of break evens because I was right enough to make money, but not right enough to you know, hit any profit targets. So I'm closing up 230 with commissions, let's call it. I don't know, 215-ish. So I'll take it for my time spent in front of the computer. I don't know, we'll call it right around 2 hours, plus or minus a little bit. And if I can average over $100 an hour, I'll take it. And for you, maybe you're looking at that number and saying that's it. You know, you just want $100 an hour. You just want $200. And yeah, for me and my point in life with multiple streams of income, I'm a big believer in multiple streams of income. This is a side hustle for me. Yeah, that's something that is worth it because I want the freedom of time. I want to be able to do with my time what I please. Now, if you want the private jet, then yeah, you're gonna have to make more than $200. You're gonna have to make way more than $100 an hour. But for me, I'm not after that. Now, if that is your goal, awesome, go for it. I hope you get that private jet, but we're just all at different moments in our life. And like I said, I don't know if I said it, but as a father of 6 kids, I want to work from home. I want to have freedom of time, freedom of schedule. To me, that is the ultimate wealth. But that, of course, is just my opinion. If your definition of ultimate wealth is, you know, a jet, well, then go get that jet. But for me, it's the freedom of a schedule. So that's all I have for you. If you appreciate these live videos, hit that like button, leave a comment down below. Let me know, why do you trade? What is your why for trading? Always interesting to hear people's thoughts on that. So that's all I have for you. Everybody take care. Have a good one. And like I said, I'll see you back in the next one.
First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.